When you want to rename a column, the same flow applies as when you want to modify columns. So in our example, we have a table inside our post migrations where we created a column named description, right here. Keep in mind that there is a little program trying to use this method. If your MySQL database is running on a lower version than 8.0.3, you need to make sure that you install the Doctrine debug library through the CLI. I'll put a command on the screen right now in case you have a MySQL database lower than 8.0.3. Once you have done that, we're ready to move on. So let's say that we want to rename the column to content. What we can do is navigate to the CLI. We need to create a new migration by saying php artisan make me a new migration. Let's name it rename _ description to content on the table posts. We're also going to add the -- table flag to it, which is equal to posts. Once you open the migrations inside your migration subdirectory, you'll find a new schema builder for the table posts, where you could make a call to the blueprint table object and change the rename column method to it. Keep in mind that the rename column method accepts two parameters. The first one is the current column name, which in our example will be description, while the second one, you guessed it, is the column name you want to change it to. Let's say content. We're ready to apply our changes. Let's navigate to the CLI and let's run the php artisan migrate command. Alright, it has migrated the rename description to content post table. If we navigate back to our post table, refresh it, you'll see that description has been changed to content. Now this was it for the renaming columns episode inside the Mastering Laravel Databases and Eloquent, where I showed you how you could easily rename a database column.